morning.
Good morning.
It's another beautiful day here in Big Island, Hawaii. Today we are gonna go to the east side of island again for our day of adventure. So today we're gonna stop by Kaumana Cave Park and Lili Uokalani Gardens. Those were the hard names. And then next we're gonna go to the Carl Smith Beach Park and Richardson Beach Park. We wanna check out two different beach parks today. And where are we having lunch again?
Oh, our friend Leighton, he recommended us Hawaiian style cafe in Hilo. He said it's his favorite place, so we're gonna check that out.
Yeah, we have to check it out. And we are recommended by one of the local friends. So,
Yeah.
we're really excited about that.
It's really.
So, whenever I think about eating, I just get really excited. So we will see you when we get to the Caves Park. Peace.
Boo! Boo! It started to rain.
So yeah, we are at the Cave Park. There is 3 cars here.
So we'll just go check it out and see if we can show you. And see if we can show you the inside.
Sorry.
And see if we can show you what it looks like inside. Maybe we'll use our phones. So let's go in.
Holy. Let's go, guys.
It's kind of scary. Scared to keep going. It's so dark and our iPhones are not really working, so I think I'm gonna go back. Maybe come back with like an actual real like heavy-duty flashlight. And there was another couple who I think actually did go deeper in. The other one is kind of shorter, but I mean we didn't really venture far because I'm scared.
Pitch black.
Yeah,
You need like.
I actually want to leave right now. Okay, bye.
Ah! Run! Run! Something coming! She's actually bad. Okay, you're in the bright side now. Something behind me.
So we just had some fun shooting, playing with crabs and ducks. The rain is on and off, so we're gonna go eat lunch at that Hawaiian style cafe and just see from there if the rain keeps being like this. we are probably just gonna head back home, right?
Yeah, what can we do at the beach?
Yeah, or try to find something else to do over here, but let's hope it stops.
Whenever it stops though, it's super beautiful.
Yeah.
It's
And
so
then-
beautiful, just, you know, you can't do anything.
Yeah.
We're hiding under the tree.
But anyways, we'll go grab some lunch and then we'll see you guys later.
Bye bye.
Hey guys, we're at Hawaiian Style Cafe. Look how long the line is. Busy. Must be good though.
So this is one of their local plates. So here you can see chicken breast, 2 burger patties, spam, eggs, and there's pork lau lau right here. All these for $14.
And this is Saimin. It's a Hawaiian style ramen. Cool. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh.
So stuffed.
Our leftover.
That's our leftover. We didn't order 3 plates or anything. We ordered 2 plates.
Yeah. And this is like for both of us for dinner.
Yeah, the portions are ridiculous in
Yeah.
this cafe.
Thank you so much, Leighton, for the recommendation.
I know,
It's
so
delicious.
good. Price is good too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the cheapest meal.
So two plate and a drink came out to
26.
$26 after tax. So
Yeah. It's great.
really good price in Hawaii. The weather is not getting any better. So I think we actually have to head back now because there's no way we're gonna be able to do anything at the beach.
Yeah.
So hopefully maybe we can come back tomorrow, next week or some other time while we are staying in the Big Island. But today was a good day despite the bad weather.
Hopefully it's sunny on the other side in
Yeah.
Kona. So maybe we can go out somewhere there.
Yeah, near our place.
Yeah. The beach.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so we'll just head back now.
Bye bye.